Hey everyone, welcome to Cymru Under the Hood. As we check out this Chevy van today, I'll talk a little bit about how it ran when it first came in, and then just give you a little bit of a review on what I think of this van.
Let's go, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm working on this 67 Chevy G10 van, but we've got a 75 engine in this. It's the inline 6. It's got digital ignition system in it, a few other things. I've been playing with this, trying to get this to run a little smoother. Found a few issues. He had his ported vacuum line for his distributor advance going to constant vacuum. Swapped that over, plugged off the other thing. I've done a little carb adjustment. We've got one adjuster here and one on the other side on this single barrel. I've got this to run way better than what it originally did. Also found the breather here for the crank was actually going to a vacuum as well. Remove this, so this is ported straight out now. And as you can see, I should have done it before video. You can see how bad this was running, and but now it's really nice and smooth. Maybe the idle's a little high still, but I'll drop that down a little bit here in a minute. Once it's warmed up, double check it again. And then yeah, what do you guys think? I like these old Chevy vans. Reminds me of the old Scooby-Doo shows. I don't know if that was a Chevy or whether that was a Ford, but I don't know, man. These are pretty cool looking old vans. This one's pretty nice inside too. The guy's got it set out like a little camper inside, done quite a few upgrades, and I guess he is selling this too. So I'll post a little video. Obviously this is a video, but me being silly here. I'm gonna post this video. The guy is selling this, so if it doesn't sell before I post the video, drop me a message down in the comments, and we'll see if we can get you hooked up with this guy. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna take you guys on just a quick test drive in this thing, so you can kind of see what it's like. I mean, I really do kind of like these old vans, man. They're pretty neat. They got that old kind of Volkswagen feel where you right up there with the front windshield, you know, no nose sticking out. This, you know, they're kind of cool. Backwards view. Yeah, I don't know, kind of nice. Drives pretty smooth. The guy wants, I don't know, about 11,000, no, 13,000 for this. Looks pretty nice. This thing's been really cleaned up and really done a good job in here. So alright guys, well, let me know what you think of these vans. There's not very many of them around that I see of, but you know, occasionally you see them, and they're really cool. I hear some of these have a V8 in them too. I had somebody hit me up here, I might be doing some brakes on one of those, and that actually is going to be a mid-70s one, so I'm interested to see what that looks like. Let me know if you guys are, and if you are, I'll do a full video on that one. He wants me to go through the whole brake system. Yeah, so hit like and subscribe, really helps me with my videos and know what you guys like and what you guys want me to keep posted. Alright, see you on the next one.